What if I told you there is an animal with 3 hearts, blue blood, no bones, and a brain that is not really in one place? And what if I told you this animal can solve puzzles, escape locked tanks, use tools, remember people, and even dream? That animal is the octopus. It may look like a strange sea creature from another planet, but the more scientists study octopuses, the more one thing becomes clear. They are much smarter than we used to think. So today, we are diving into the world of octopus intelligence, and by the end, you may never look at them the same way again. Octopuses are part of a group of animals called cephalopods. This group also includes squid and cuttlefish, but octopuses are especially famous because of their problem-solving skills. They live in oceans all over the world. Some hide in coral reefs, some live on the seafloor, some squeeze into tiny holes between rocks. And that is one of their superpowers. Octopuses have no bones. This means they can fit through spaces that look impossible. If their beak can pass through, the rest of the body can usually follow. But their bodies are not the only amazing part. Their nervous system is extremely unusual. A human has one main brain in the head. An octopus has a central brain too, but most of its neurons are spread through its arms. In simple terms, each arm can almost think for itself. This makes the octopus one of the strangest intelligent animals on Earth. Now let's look at 3 key facts that show why octopuses are smarter than most people realize. One of the biggest signs of intelligence is problem solving, and octopuses are very good at it. In labs, scientists have watched octopuses open jars to get food inside. They can learn how to unscrew lids, they can pull levers, they can move through mazes, they can remember which path leads to a reward. This is not simple instinct. It shows learning. An octopus can try something, fail, try again, and improve. Some octopuses have even been seen escaping from aquariums. They climb out of tanks, squeeze through small gaps, and move across wet floors. In one famous type of story, an octopus leaves its tank at night, enters another tank to eat fish, then returns to its own tank before morning. That sounds almost like a tiny ocean burglar, but this behavior makes sense. In the wild, octopuses need to be clever. They are soft-bodied animals with no shell. Many predators want to eat them, so they must hunt, hide, escape, and adapt. Their intelligence is a survival tool. Octopuses are masters of disguise. They can change the color and texture of their skin in less than a second. They can look like sand, they can look like rocks, they can look like coral. Some can even make their skin bumpy to match the surface around them. This is not just a simple color change. It is fast, detailed, and controlled. Their skin contains special cells that help create colors and patterns. Their muscles can change the shape of the skin. The result is almost like a living screen. But here is what makes it even more amazing. Octopuses are believed to be colorblind, or at least they do not see color the way humans do. So how can they match their background so well? Scientists are still studying this question. But it shows that octopus intelligence is not just about the brain, it is about the whole body working together. Their eyes, skin, arms, and nervous system all help them react to the world. They do not just hide, they perform. Some octopuses can also mimic other animals. The mimic octopus, for example, can move its body to look like dangerous sea creatures, such as lionfish or sea snakes. That is not just camouflage, that is deception. And deception is a very advanced behavior. Octopuses do not just react to the moment. They can remember things. They can learn from past experiences. In experiments, octopuses have learned to tell different shapes and patterns apart. They can remember which object gives them food. They can avoid things that gave them a bad experience before. Some octopuses also seem to recognize individual humans. People who work with them in aquariums often say that octopuses behave differently around different caretakers. They may approach one person and avoid another. They may squirt water at someone they do not like. They may become curious around familiar people. This does not mean they think like humans, but it does suggest that they are aware of individuals in their environment. That is impressive for an animal so different from us. Octopuses also explore objects just for curiosity. They touch things, they pull things apart, they test what happens. This playful behavior is another sign of intelligence. After all, curiosity is one of the roots of learning. Now here's the strangest part. Octopuses are very intelligent, but they are not closely related to humans. Our last common ancestor with octopuses lived hundreds of millions of years ago. It was probably a very simple creature. That means intelligence evolved in octopuses on a totally different path. Human intelligence and octopus intelligence are like two separate experiments by nature. We have bones, lungs, hands, and a large brain inside a skull. Octopuses have soft bodies, gills, arms covered in suckers, and a nervous system spread through their body. Yet both humans and octopuses can solve problems, learn, remember, and explore. This tells us something powerful. Intelligence does not have only one form. It does not have to look human. It can grow in a forest, fly through the air, or move across the ocean floor with 8 arms. There is another surprising twist too. Most octopuses live short lives. Many live only 1 or 2 years. That means they do not have much time to learn. They also do not usually grow up with parents teaching them. Baby octopuses often have to survive on their own. So their intelligence is not built around long childhoods and social learning like ours. It is fast, flexible, and independent. An octopus is like a solo, problem-solving machine. It enters the world alone, learns quickly, and uses its strange body to survive. Octopuses are not just weird sea animals. They are clever hunters. They are escape artists. They are camouflage experts. They are problem solvers. They are curious explorers. Their intelligence challenges the way we think about the mind. For a long time, humans believed intelligence had to look like us. A big brain, a face we understand, hands, language, society, but the octopus shows us something different. A creature can be smart in a completely alien way. It can think with its arms, it can change its skin like magic, it can solve problems without a backbone. It can survive using creativity instead of strength. And maybe that is why octopuses feel so mysterious. They are not from another planet, but they are the closest thing Earth has to an alien intelligence. So the next time you see an octopus, do not just see a strange animal with 8 arms. See a mind that evolved in the sea, a mind that reminds us that intelligence is much bigger, stranger, and more beautiful than we ever imagined. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Science Vault for more incredible science every week.